No, what? 9 years.
I was to say 10.
9 years.
But I say it not finish.
Yeah, I have one next piece under the I'm gonna be putting a little red label wine. So we want them and them always not chipping for do nothing to make it easier. This are I
Pretty girl, pretty baby.
She's so shy. Good morning, YouTube family. Happy Sunday to you. It's another Sunday. It's another weekend. Today is the 13th. Is it? 13th of September. My. The year is going by. We have only 3 months to go. This pandemic has taken over most of the year. But let us give thanks that we are still in the race of life and continue to celebrate life. 1 month from today, I'll be doing double 5 God's willing on the face of the earth. And if you are here and you're over 50, join me at the over 50s, over 50 girls club. Yeah, we celebrate life. So, blessed morning once more to you and the fam bam. As I said before, it's Sunday. Let's start off the little vlog this morning with breakfast. I am going to be making this breadfruit is like seriously ripe. Look here, and I'll go down and I eat. It's more the past turn. So I'm going to be doing that breadfruit. I got here some ackee. I'm not going to use all of this. I don't have any saltfish, but I have a little pack of bacon. And I'll be making do with that. And I think I have a lot of ripe planting. You saw, if you follow me on the Jamaican Debbie training, some of the dark country and get the whole planting, then everybody ripe up. So I have all the ripe planting. So I think it will be roast breadfruit, ackee and bacon, ripe planting, and I'm gonna get me a cup of tea to start the morning right. Not coffee. I'm not a coffee girl. I wish I was. The only thing I like about coffee is, you know, that nice fresh, you know, when you have a nice fresh clean kitchen and you come out and you have that nice, and that coffee maker, Keurig, wherever you fix the coffee in is clean and you get that nice fresh coffee taste coming out right throughout the kitchen. That is what I like the most. I'll drink a cup of coffee maybe about 2 to 3 times for the year. And when I do it, I have no use to myself for the day. But sometimes, every now and then, I feel like when I drink a cup of coffee. So I boil my kettle. When it's ready, I'll show you what kind of tea I'll be making. So I'll catch you in the next clip. Hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope, and maybe I'm not sure if you'll not catch this video with breakfast time for you, but probably some other Sundays we go live. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I can't say that one more. I can't say that enough. So I'm taking it easy. It's a slow day. I still like water in the pipe. It's about 7 or after 7 now. But I'm not taking it on anything. I just do what I can do. So family, I have a little breadfruit over there. I'm on a slow team. Taking it slow this morning. So I just drink little the little tea here. I have the little breadfruit there. I have 2 planting. I have put on some ackee now, but I still do my tea. With the joke line. I do something that I thought, you know, the bacon. Pass a little tin pot, then I go get it to put in some water. See it there? Right under there, yeah. What's in there? Something in there?
Yeah.
Alright, no worries.
Water.
Alright.
I'll do it until you make that side.
Alright then, no problem. Just taking it slow. You know when you take it slow. Never had such a good night's sleep, but nevertheless, gotta do what I gotta do. I look miserable, I sound miserable. And I must confess, I am feeling miserable at home with the family now. Real thing. You know, sometimes when you come out and when you look the water, you know, we have water hose. And how them not make the place everything just half key, even though you left it on key. Well, that's one of them in there. And sometimes I can't add this smile show it. But this is a real vlog. I mean, not to hide it. Tell me sometimes you're mad with them, don't it? Because I like a clean kitchen. I like my countertop them clean. I love clean place, and sometimes Them just wait for them attitude, it not cut it. Oh no, comment. Man, husband, whatever, picnic. We the women always bear the burden, forget the place under control. If you leave them, when you come back, everything under control, even though you leave it at a point. And if you go to bed and you leave things, and if you even forgot one little something, family, when you wake up, nobody corrects it. Comment. But me I push through it, man. Miserable Debbie, yeah, me miserable. I'm taking it slow. Me a slice of plantain. It's nice when you're doing a pour. Give me the other one. Yeah. They must be man. Some people say plantain. It's plantain. And these are organic family. Bring them from St. Mary and them ripe on them own. So this is what you call organic planting. See? Show off the ackee. Come on. And the oil, right? And the oil. If me have oil,
Then you want the oil.
yeah. Hold on. Maybe we can't use the eye now. Oh, no worry. So family, what me I do? Me I work coming and talk to you now. This is what me I do, man. I'm gonna go now and me start from my planting them. But that thing's still not dry out yet, so the bacon here. So Kimara girl, she gonna do bacon and frankfurter because of course she don't like ackee. I'm not a lover of ackee either, but you know, every now and then we eat little. I think I did tell you the story already. Dad, me not like ackee. Dad cook ackee too often. Dad love ackee too much. So let's see some of this oil. Oh, get the sweet pepper here come now. Let me get cut up some too. And take off one peg of the garlic. Made the scallion. You think so? I must have my face. This thing should have come down. The camera should have come down.
So, one peg good, right?
Yeah, the garlic. Yeah, just one peg. Okay. You must fry your ripe plantain on medium. Must fry your ripe plantains on medium. You don't want them frying too much of a hurry. And these are not overripe, them just regularly ripe. So you put the frankfurt already?
I'll take it out.
Make it tall. You know, me look for a little slim knife for me have to test the breadfruit. But me just can't find it. Oh.
Can I put in this?
No, I'm going to do here something. Probably something. The family plantains all finished. You see him? The glare there. And me I cut up the seasonings them. Whilst the bacon I do what I do. So I'm going to go. The breadfruit is true, so I go feed. I mean, no persons are going to ask about the breadfruit. Remember, I have a video up there that shows you how to do your breadfruit in the foil paper. You know, especially if it, like, you know, all the cold time I come on. And sometimes you honestly, you just don't want to be on the outside for whatever the reason. So, remember, I did tell you that I don't have no saltfish. I don't know why. But I just not have no saltfish for the longest while. So it was sometimes. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, sometimes nothing at all. And Dad no fussy. We just fry up the seasoning then with the ackee and eat it. But I don't really like it like that. Comment and tell me if you love ackee like that, that you fry up the seasoning. I get this yesterday at the supermarket for $111. I don't know if it's plus tax, so you must know, say. That means that's cheap. That is cheap, family. In our book out here, that's cheap. This big bell pepper for $111. It's cheap. I try out me, I wonder for 1,111. I mean, I talk about, but it's local though. It's local. So I put peas, not too much, just a little slice. I put half of it. I want to know I don't use the tomato in the ackee. I know, I tell myself. The AC on. But I know the little menopause and something. All them something there happening in a flame. Now get a little bacon all crispy over here so. Ackee all drained. This cut up. Showing the plant already. So guys, this is my little a piece of something that you don't have to come out. My little bacon and my little seasonings. I just said to camera girl, what do you think? Rice and peas are pumpkin rice with dinner, she said. Pumpkin rice. But that I just fear take, you know, family, because suppose Dad him must say him no want no. I don't know, maybe we eat the pumpkin.
We'll just do the rice and peas and I'll get pasta or something like that.
We're contemplating whoever do that. Why you never plan dinner? These days I hardly plan dinner. A little black pepper, I always like it in the ackee. So I'm gonna put no scotch bonnet, because Dad can't manage a scotch bonnet. Family must always try cook your ackee and make it drain. So when you fix up, you will have your turn it down now to make it, you know, that everything just go through it, the heat. Turn it down for a pretty good, probably about 8-10 minutes on the low, and make this just, you know, go through. We not have any pear. That would have be a plus right now. Alright. Family, thumb guard. Make sure thumb guard. The breadfruit was so hot and then it was ripe. So, my girl, idea. Put the hand towel on your finger and use the elastic. Is there a such thing as a thumb guard? Can anybody say? I would think so. What do you think, my girl?
There should be.
And this breadfruit is all ripe, family. See it there? When you roast your breadfruit and you cut your breadfruit like this, yeah man, it's ripe. You're not supposed to have no problem for cut through the heart. If you have problem to cut through the heart of your breadfruit, it's not properly roasted. Yeah, so you see it? I have to well simmer. So I'm gonna make, this girl is hungry. I'm gonna make a plate for Dad, and Jericho make him plate when you're ready, if you want it.
My elastic.
You want elastic?
It back here.
My girl said she wanted this. I'm gonna make a plate for Dad, make a plate for myself, and I return to you, family. So fam, I'm through. This is Dad's plate. This is my plate. I don't really like cooking. This is the remainder of the breadfruit and the rest of plantain. I think I came our girl, I got her on the plantain there. I think Jer might make a plate for himself when he choose to. Or maybe he might do him one breakfast. I don't know. Whatever. But these young people now, they're not going to do for them one plate. So I got, this is the remnants of the breadfruit. This breadfruit is ripe. You see it? I carried from St. Mary Thursday. I'm putting it in the fridge and it's still ripe. So this is the remainder. And this is it. I'm gonna get me now. I'm gonna eat, and then when we return, you might see me when I eat little. I'm hungry. I had tea, so I might just get a cup of either water or some orange juice right here. So I'm gonna go eat now. I'm really hungry. And then we have chicken in here, so I thought still can't make up my mind for dinner, but I think it will be fried chicken, pumpkin rice, and something. So I'm gonna have some food now, and then I'm gonna come back to you. I'm going to put some pepper, because through Dad I couldn't put no pepper. It will be the perfect time for post notification shout out. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. So family, we are back. Breakfast is over. And we look at remnants there right there. So we scrap some puppies, and come our girl did our own thing. Should have been breakfast now. So that's our breakfast. So I had mine, and I had some orange juice. I had this with some store-bought, of course, I love the fresh homemade, which is what I really glory in. But tomorrow girl love our orange juice, so in times like these, when me remember the last time I see an orange, but I hope I can get some in the country when oranges start coming in up there. So this is where the box stops for my Sunday morning breakfast. It wasn't too fussy, it wasn't too hilarious, you know, but I am giving thanks. I hope you had your breakfast looked about too, and we're giving thanks. We're celebrating life right here. I am feeling a bit sleepy because I woke up early this morning. I think the water never go away, but I still have liquor. Give thanks. I don't know how me go away. I can't really rely on it. So I woke up extra early as per usual, 2:30, to get some laundry in, but didn't happen because the water was really low like that. But me still give thanks. I could have go around the kitchen a little better, a little easier. So we got our chicken in here thawing out, and I'll make that video for you, my Sunday dinner video. So I hope you didn't enjoy this breakfast, even though it never so hilarious as I say, but nevertheless I brought something for you. Your post notifications will appear right here. 1, 2, 3 right here. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Remember to stick and stay. Remember to make sure your notifications are all turned on. And remember to press the option that says all to make sure you are notified when all of my videos are being posted. And until we see you again on this camera, it's gonna be ciao. I hope you will stick around, and then you will see what my Sunday dinner will be like.